Imagine standing in the middle of a huge corn field where thousands of corn plants are ready for harvest. Years ago, farmers had to depend on manual labor, working under the burning sun for many days to collect this crop. It was exhausting, slow, and expensive. Today, modern corn harvester machines have completely changed this story, turning hard labor into a smart and efficient process. Farming has never been easy. Harvesting corn by hand required workers to cut each plant, carry heavy loads, and repeat the same tiring task from morning until evening. Many crops were damaged or wasted during this process. But with the invention of corn harvester machines, farmers now enjoy faster harvesting, better quality crops, and higher profits. A corn harvester is a powerful agricultural machine designed to collect corn quickly and efficiently. As it moves through the field, it cuts the corn plants, separates the corn ears from the stalks, cleans the grain, and stores it safely inside the machine. All of this happens automatically while the farmer simply controls the direction of the machine. These machines are not just about speed. They are also about precision. Modern corn harvesters are built to minimize crop loss. They carefully handle each ear of corn so that very little is wasted. This accuracy helps farmers save money and produce more high-quality corn. Technology has played a major role in improving corn harvester machines. Older machines were heavy, difficult to operate, and required constant attention. Today's harvesters come with digital screens, smart sensors, and advanced control systems. Some models even adjust their cutting height automatically depending on the field condition, making harvesting smoother and more efficient. One of the greatest advantages of a corn harvester is its ability to work continuously for long hours. While humans need rest, these machines can work day and night during peak harvest season. This is extremely important because corn must be harvested at the right time. If delayed, rain, insects, or animals can damage the crop and reduce profit. Operating a modern corn harvester is easier than many people think. The driver sits in a comfortable cabin with air conditioning, wide glass windows, and digital control panels. With just a few buttons, the operator can control the entire harvesting process. This comfort reduces fatigue and increases productivity. Maintenance is an important part of keeping a corn harvester in top condition. Regular cleaning, checking the blades, and servicing the engine ensure smooth performance. A well-maintained harvester can last many years and continue delivering strong results every season. Corn harvester machines also solve the problem of labor shortage. In many farming areas, it is becoming harder to find workers during harvest time. A single machine can replace the work of dozens of people, saving time and reducing labor costs. This allows farmers to focus on improving crop quality and farm management. Fuel efficiency is another benefit of modern corn harvesters. Newer machines are designed to use less fuel while covering more land. Some advanced models even use GPS technology to map fields and avoid repeated paths, saving fuel and ensuring no area is missed. Watching a corn harvester at work is truly impressive. The machine moves steadily through tall corn plants, collecting, cleaning, and storing the grain while leaving a clean field behind. It is a powerful example of how modern technology supports agriculture. For small farmers, buying a corn harvester might seem like a big investment. But in the long run, it saves money, increases productivity, and reduces physical stress. Many farmers who switch to mechanical harvesting say they can never go back to manual methods. Large farms benefit even more from corn harvester machines. With vast lands to harvest, speed and reliability are essential. These machines help farmers complete harvesting on time and deliver fresh corn to the market without delay. In today's world, farming is not only about hard work but also about smart work. Corn harvester machines represent the future of agriculture. They help farmers grow more, waste less, and earn better profits. As you watch these machines in action, remember that they are not just tools. They are partners of farmers, helping them feed millions of people around the world. Corn harvester machines are truly changing the way agriculture works, making farming more powerful, more profitable, and more sustainable for the future.